I have tried once, well actually twice before, of using a camcorder to record it as the film projected, and it does a reasonably decent job. And it's very stable. That looks about right. So I just push this button here. There's the buttons. You got power, convert and mode, then your left and right in your mirror or flip. So I want that image to convert, and see, it comes up. It gives you the option to save or to cancel or to return home. And in this case, I'm happy with it. So I'm going to come back up here and press the OK Enter key, and then you can watch it do its little job. Now after it's saved, it starts to rotate. It's pretty simple and sweet. And it's sturdy. See the nice feet on there. They grip really well, so you don't have to worry about it moving around on you. Now, myself, I have listed the dates and the time I've spent thus far doing it. Of course, I started out being a little bit more OCD about it. Start time and end time. Yeah, I've got quite a bit of footage to go. There's roughly 32 to 37 minutes on here. And let's see if you can see down here. See, you look really close. Really close. That looks like maybe going on 2 minutes. This will stop the degradation of the film. No more deterioration. Actually to the film, but once it's digitized, that film will not deteriorate. You can store it pretty much indefinitely. Just move it to a new storage medium as each new storage medium is presented to the public.